Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, I am doing a skincare video, which I've never done on my channel and I never planned to do. Is because I keep my skincare very simple. Once I find a product that works for me, I just continue with that same product. Literally, there are products that I've been using since I was a teenager and now I'm an adult. Just because my skin is finicky like that, like it may freak out to a product, it may not. I find something, it works, I stick with it until either it stops working or they stop selling it or whatever. But once I find a product that I love, I'm ride or die for that product. But now we're in 2020. My eldest sister is really into skincare, and I went to her house recently. Last time I was in New York visiting, I went to her apartment, and she kind of inspired me to kind of dabble and see what else is out there as far as skincare, because the technology is evolving and I feel like I need to do the same. So I have 4 products I want to show you that I've been using since the beginning of 2020. Well, no, 2 of the products I've only been using for about a month now. Yeah, I haven't been using them long, but these are products that I've really been loving for maintaining my skin. So really quickly, just to give you guys a backstory on my skin, I do have acne prone skin. You guys have seen how I look with that makeup on, so you know I'm a little dark around the eyes. I do have dark spots. As of lately, the beginning of the year, I stopped eating dairy. I went 100%, not 100%, I went 99% dairy free. The other 1% was sour cream. I have not, and I will not give up sour cream. But I went dairy free, but when the whole pandemic hit, I kind of slipped back into eating dairy again. So like regular cheese. I still don't do dairy milk. I haven't done dairy milk for a while now. But like my coffee creamer had dairy in it. I said cheese, things like that. So my face broke out. My face broke out really bad. And I was just over it. Like, I was so angry. So I was like, it's time. I need to figure out some new skincare products, and because of that really bad breakout, I do have some new acne scars on this side of my face especially. It just, because I don't pop my pimples. I'm not a pimple popper. I can't. I let them rot out, and I really probably shouldn't even be doing that. But anyway, so the products I'm going to show you are products that I've really been loving lately, and they've really been helping my skin. I have like combination skin now that I'm older. Before, I was just oily, but over the years, as I got older, my skin did change. So I have an oily T-zone, but I'm normal everywhere else. And then sometimes during the winter, I may get dry a little bit, but that's about it. I've complained about how my skin has changed before, but I'm gonna stop rambling. That's a little backstory on my skin, and I'm gonna show you guys the products that I've been loving as of 2020, and they are now stamped and sealed skincare staples. So if you want to see what the products are, just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so the first product, one thing I'm big on are masks and scrubs. So not really so much sheet mask. I cannot sit there and do a sheet mask. Like, I don't have the patience, but I love a good mask. You put on, let it dry. When I get in the shower, I can rinse it out. So one mask that I've been loving is the L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Cleanser. So when this comes out of the tube, come on, there we go. When this comes out of the tube, and I got this from Kroger, okay? I saw this in Kroger. When it comes out of the tube, it's like a moussey texture, like how you spray hair mousse. It comes like a moussey, thick texture like that. I apply it on my face, I let it dry, and then I get in the shower and rinse it off. The only thing I don't like about this is the smell. Not that it stinks, but the smell's a little strong for me. I have like a sensitivity to smells, so It's a little strong for me, but I like this a lot. First of all, anything with charcoal in it is for me because I know charcoal really does clean out the pores. I've been using BeautiiBees for like 10 years. Like anything with charcoal, I'm down for it. So I love this stuff. I use it at least once a week just to really cleanse my skin. I've also been going makeup free a lot in my everyday life. Like there's some, normally in the past, I would wear makeup every single day that I went to work, but I really don't do that anymore. I'll go sometimes 2 or 3 days a week out of the 5 that I work, and I won't wear any makeup. And then on my days off, I don't wear makeup. It's just that I've just been giving my skin a break. Especially what kicked that off was that bad breakout I had when I went back to eating dairy. So as of now, I'm back on my non-dairy kick, but I haven't re-given up dairy cheese yet. But yeah, so I've been loving this. The next products I want to talk about is 2 products, but like I'm just gonna put them in one. So it's this brand I discovered at Target called Urban RX. They're like really big on Instagram right now. I love their cleansers. So some people are big on masks, some people are big on cleansers or moisturizers. I am a cleanser junkie. I will hoard cleansers. My camera battery is about to die. I will hoard cleansers. I love these. So you can get these at Target. They come with their own little like sponges. You get 2 per container. This is just one. I just store the other one. Oh, I love these. So this is the combination skin cleansing bar. It's anti-aging, smoothing, and hydrating. And I also have the blemish one, the clear skin cleansing bar, and this is for controls oils, blemishes, and deep cleaning pores. I alternate between the 2. I love these. They get my skin super clean. My skin just feels so clean when I'm done using them, and then they don't dry out my skin. When I'm having a really bad breakout, I won't mind if my skin gets a little dried out. I don't know why, I just don't. That's just me. That's just me. But these don't dry out my skin. I'll even show you guys what they look like, but I love these. So here we go. I love these. So with these, you just open it, take the little pad, wet it with some warm water, rub it in the cleanser, and then you rub it all over your skin. And I'll do that right before I get in the shower, and then when I'm about to get out the shower, I'll go ahead and I'll rinse it off. Again, my skin feels super clean, super hydrated. These are really popular. Like I had to go on the hunt for these. Like this one, I got the last one. This one, I had to wait for it to come back in stock for so long. I love these. This one smells more like medicated. The blemish control one. It reminds me of like some type of way a medicine would smell. And then this one smells like a cleanser. I love these. I would highly recommend them. They've been helping me with really not only get rid of the breakout that I have, but really just maintain my skin. I have on makeup right now. You know, your makeup is not, if your skin underneath your makeup is not good, your makeup is not going to be good. And I can honestly say applying makeup on my skin has been so much smoother. And my skin my makeup just has been coming out a lot more flawless, in my opinion, after I've really been using these products and really just trying something new to really maintain my skin. So I've been loving these as well. And the last product I want to talk about is a moisturizer. Now, that's where I lack in my skincare products, my skincare little arsenal. I really lack moisturizers. I really want to try some good ones. If you guys love any good skin moisturizers, like combination skin, go ahead and leave them below. I need some new moisturizers, but my sister was using this, so I went ahead and bought it. This is the Neutrogena Naturals Multi-Vitamin Nourishing Moisturizer. I like this a lot. I got this from Walmart, and as you can see, I've used a lot of it. It's paraben free, no chemicals, no sulfates, no petroleum, whatever word that is, and no dyes. I like this a lot because I like that it's sulfate free, no parabens, things like that. And then I like the fact that it's super lightweight on my skin, and it just melts into my skin. My skin looks healthy after I apply it. I love this, and it says it won't clog pores, which is good. That's my biggest fear. I don't want to moisturize that's just gonna reclog my pores. I really don't like that. But this has been literally, I've been using this every single day for months. Like, I just use a little bit though, like a dime size amount, and I really take the time and I massage it into my skin so that way I know I'm fully moisturized and my skin just has like a bounce. Like, it just looks really, really good. So I've been loving this moisturizer. And again, if you guys know of any good moisturizer, please let your girl know, because I am struggling in the moisturizer department. Alright everybody, so I know that was a super quick video, but I just wanted to show you guys what I've been putting on my skin. I don't know if you guys have noticed in my recent videos, but if you look at my videos now that I'm doing, and I don't have any makeup on, so before, I feel like my skin has gotten so much better. Like, I'm glowing without makeup on. Like, my skin has a glow to it, and I really like that. So yeah, I hope you guys definitely try out these products. I've really been liking them, and I hope you guys leave me some recommendations for some products that I can go ahead and try. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comment box. You guys know I answer all comments as I see them, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.